Friends, now we are starting a new chapter, Mathematical Logic, and in that we are starting our first exercise 1.1. It is based on whether the statement is true or false. So let's see. First statement, the sun is a star. It is a true statement and the truth value will be t. So how we have to write? The statement is true. The statement is true and its truth value is t, and its truth value is t. So the next sentence is, may God bless you. It is an exclamatory sentence, hence it is not a statement. In summary, we have already learned which is a statement and which is not a statement. So exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, these are not an imperative sentence. These are not an statement. So may God bless you means it is an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Hence it is not a statement. Third statement, the sum of cube roots of unity is 1. It is a false statement. It is a false statement. It is a false statement and its truth value is f. If the statement is true, then the truth value will be t. So next statement, he is a good person. It is also not a statement. Why? Because it is an open sentence. Means we have not specified here who is he. He कौन है यहाँ पे हमें नहीं पता. बस बोल दिया he is a good person. कौन है good person? तो सर specify नहीं किया means it is an open sentence. It is an open sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Next statement देखते हैं. Why are you upset? It is an interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. Hence it is not a statement. ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं है क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन कर रहा है. वाई आर यू अपसेट मीन्स इट इज एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. लास्ट सेंटेंस देखते हैं. ये क्या है? एवरी पैरेललोग्राम इज अ रोम्बस. एवरी पैरेललोग्राम इज अ रोम्बस, बट इट इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. या फिर ऐसे लिखते हैं, द statement is false and its truth value is f. This is the first exercise of this chapter and it is very simple and basic.